grip my hair properly. My hair is in this makeshift braids. It's been straightened. I've had it straightened for like 3 days, and now it's time to pull out a style, and we're gonna start by undoing this, obviously. So this should have been done before this tutorial, but we're here, we're doing it, and my hair's gonna be wavy. I don't know if this is gonna work out. Anyway, I'm gonna comb through this. I think I'm going to use an afro comb. Ooh, that wave actually looks really nice. I'm gonna hold this in a bun, so excuse me as I do that. Now I'm gonna hold it. So I'm gonna make a tiny bun, and then this excess hair I'm just gonna bobby pin it. So now we have this cute top knot bun, but we need a bit more volume. That's why we're going in with braiding hair. And I think I don't want it too sleek. I want it to look kind of messy. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm not going to use gel on my edges because I do want my hair to stay straight for a while. So I'm just gonna go in with braiding hair. That is noisy. And the braiding hair I'm using is this Abuja braid. This is extra long. So this is the amount of hair I'm using. I don't want it to be too much, because I feel like if your bun looks too big, it doesn't even out with your hair. So I'm just gonna use a tiny piece if this is tiny. Now for the braiding hair, I'm gonna hold it in half, like both sides are equally half. Then I'm going to take my hair tie and I'm going to put it, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna loop it like that. This is the hair tie, and then I'm gonna pick up this side and loop it inside the other side and then pull. That way you get kind of a thing to hold onto your hair, and there's hair everywhere. And then you just loop this around your bun. I'm gonna do once is enough. I might do twice, so let's secure this. So I'm gonna do it twice. Oh, that is tight though. I'm gonna take this section of hair and I'm gonna twist that around my hair like that in one direction. Taking the other piece of hair, I'm just gonna wrap it in the opposite direction. If it would let me be great, that would be nice. So I'm just gonna wrap it in the opposite direction. Secure this with bobby pins because it's already so tight. So I'm going to take some Eco Styler gel and I'm just going to brush out a tiny amount of baby hairs, nothing too crazy. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's such a quick and easy style that you can whip up in 5 minutes and it looks put together, it looks good, you look snatched and hella popping. This is convenient. It doesn't take your time, it doesn't take your energy. It's just whip up your, I can't even talk, but it's an easy style. That's what I meant to say. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're subscribed, I will see you in my next video. Until then, Bye. Woo!